Hello everyone, this is just a quick video reviewing this mini extension pole plus tripod. So this one goes for like fits on GoPro, also fits on DJI Osman auction camera too as well. And I found this really cool one. Like they are available on Amazon for about $45 or so, but I got this one from the Crazy Pens store, and it was for $10. So as you see, it has like a tripod, and you can hold it by hand, extension, a small little bit. I found it's very useful, very cool to share this with you guys. And also it says it's compatible with oh, maybe that's French. So yeah, it's compatible with all Hero cameras, which is really cool. So they extend from 4.6 inch up to 8.9 inch, which is from 11.7 centimeter to 22 centimeter. And so yeah, that's what's inside this box here. Pretty much nothing, just this one. Very cool. And also it's here, it has a GoPro, and very lightweight, made of plastic, to open the simply by just like, you know, and it fits really good. Like the hand is very good. Also, this is to mount your auction camera, GoPro, DJI, or all GoPro models should fit in this one easily. And this, the only good thing about this parts, this is steel. The net is also steel. So to extend this one simply by pull, and it's a yeah, so it does not goes like loose on or tight or loose. It just has one way only, and it's very tight. And this is the length of this thing, entire length. So it's very cool, very useful. I found it's really nice to have, but I was lucky I found it for $10 from the Crazy Pens store. So I have a GoPro. I'm just gonna put this one in and see how it fits, just to show you guys. But it fits on the like all GoPro models, GoPro Hero models, or DJI auction camera as well. And it's so easy to fit, as you see here. Pretty much that's it. And you can tint it all the way down, and that much, about 45 degrees or so. Yeah. And you can see when I see, it fits really cool, very nice. So I'm not sure about this hole here. I don't know if it has a like extension to fit on, extra extension or something, but other than that, this is what it looks like. And this is how you handle it, like that. Let's turn this camera on, see. It's very steady, very cool, very simple, but unfortunately it's not that cheap though. Like $45, still kind of quite expensive for this piece. And yeah, so that's if you can find it cheaper, maybe it's worth it. But for me, I wouldn't buy it for like $45. And I was just shopping there, and I found it at Crazy Pens, and I found it for $10. And unfortunately, it was just the last one. So that's how it looks like. I hope they like this video. Check out other videos in our multi-channel. We upload videos regularly, randomly. You may like the video, so consider subscribe, like, and share. All the best. Hope to see you next video. Thank you.